and BuildForce. Happy New Year. 2026. Yeah, this is Paul. I'm Jeff, and we're Gunpla.
So this is our first build meet of 2026. Behold, everybody say hi. Yay. So that's just us geeking out or just getting together, building kits, talking a lot of rubbish, having fun.
We started a new year with some brownies and dino cookies from Shark and stuff.
It's been awesome, which you'll probably see maybe in a little bit of a cutaway just now. Guys,
no cutaway, just do one take.
2025 was amazing. We had a great year, and it had its challenges, obviously, like any year, and we've made it to this side of it, and so we are excited about the new energy that comes with 2026.
Lots of cool things that you're planning for.
There's some Bandai announcements that have come out for kits that are coming out this year. I'm excited about all the new announcements that we will be getting during the year. There's games, there's toys, there's all kinds of cool stuff. But the important thing is Gunpla SA is still here, and Jeff and I have a lot of plans for this year. We don't know how many we're going to actually execute, but we are very excited about the possibility of what we're going to be doing this year. So we hope that that gets you guys a little excited.
Lots of events, whether it's physical events or online events, community events, lots of things going on.
And that's one little bit of it,
Speaking about events, so BuildForce, we're going to kickstart that.
Yes.
But we're just cooking a little bit. We want to evolve things system-wise so we can make it more inviting for more people.
And also more interesting. We've run build meets, build-offs in a very specific way for the last 3 years, where it's kind of evolved, and now it's going to go through its next evolution. It's going to be like, something is happening. Build-off evolved into build-off plus whatever.
Including more people here, like for example, hearing the community more directly. And also like guest judges, all that. Speaking about build-offs, we actually got a new, from our last championship. So we've got No Face, right? Did I get your Discord name correctly? He brought his Schwarzette. Do you want to show it off? Do you want to be on camera? That's a bit shy. Okay. It's all good. But there's his Schwarzette. We're going to take some nice photos of it. And also speaking about build-offs. So we've got the champion from like 2024.
Yes.
So this one we're going to swap it. It's going back home now.
With the winner from 2025.
But we're going to get the new Gundam.
So just so you know, your kit is being packed.
You see, got the bubble wrap there, work in progress.
Not for nothing, I'm sorry I'm putting my kit in the way here, but I also built something. I did a bit of a build along for the last build off for the year. So yay, I got one of my new kits out. Also,
look how cool Jacques
made these dino cookies.
And where's my brownies? There's the last of brownies. I hope it's in the shot.
The rest of them are here.
We got lots of brownies.
Okay.
But we do, even though the build-offs announcement is cooking a little bit, so we do have a cool announcement for the next event, which is the Gundam card game new type challenge, our next tournament, which is happening on the 31st of January.
What is that again? The 31st?
31st of January.
Okay, cool.
One of the very cool things, obviously we've got some boosters as prizes, but we got some contributions from the build. We don't need to see that note. Would you want to flip through some of these? So these are contribution, I'm not going to name who,
but these are
one of our BuildForce members. He went to Japan recently and he got some cool promotional cards.
From G Generation. So it's got the video game tie-in.
So we're going to have them as winning prizes as well, on top of the other prizes to announce.
Super cool, hey?
So we can flip through them. So there's G.
I did flip through them. While you were talking.
Ariel.
I'll do it again. This is just in case you guys weren't paying attention.
And Unicorn, very cool stuff. So
there's that. Actually, on this topic, I really hope we see SD kits from the build, Gundam build card game build. Anyway,
symbol,
whatever, it's Gunpla symbol. Okay, so that's one of the things. As Jeff mentioned earlier, and as we were getting into as well, build-offs are just going through a bit of an evolution. As Jeff said, we want to make them even more inviting to people, but also more rewarding for professionals. And you're going to, when I say professionals, more experienced builders, and you're going to see what that all entails. And yeah, prepare yourselves, because I think it's going to be a fun competition year, actually. And then as we mentioned, there are a lot of things that we want to plan. There's some stuff that we will be telling you guys later. It's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool stuff that I'm excited about, Jeff's excited about. And so we're looking forward to that. So we can't put it all in one video. We need a whole year to put it all in. So
until the next one, you know.
Oh, dude, hold on. When do these build meets happen?
Like, it's every second Saturday.
Every second Saturday, right? So so just be mindful of that. Check out our socials. We'll let you know when build meets happen. And come and be part of the Gunpla SA BuildForce.
Cool. And with that being said, guys, like we always say, be good to yourselves, be good to each other,
and keep building joy. Say no to Beyblade.